guys remember a couple months ago, Harvey had my car for a couple weeks. He was building a wing for my car. The wing is finally done. I just picked it up from the body shop. We're gonna head out to Harvey's house and then we're gonna install it over there. But here's a sneak peek.
Pa' que vayan y digan.
That's the sneak peek you guys are gonna get. All right, we'll install it once we get to Harvey's house. Ay, verga. Look at that shit. I almost hit that trailer.
You go sideways, who go sideways? Hold it.
I always go sideways. Back juice. What kind of juice? Whew. 120 degrees later, we made it.
Ya casi pasaba, güey. There you go. ¿Sí sale ahí?
Yeah. Oh, it's like?
Las tuyas, güey. Las tuyas, güey. You suspend your school. I thought on my hand.
¡Ta madre! Valiendo fer.
So this is the wing. Right in the mass. So we're gonna drill some holes and then bolt it down, put some nutserts. A ver cómo queda.
Ahí nomás, mira.
¿Ya?
Yeah, look.
Pinche nipple.
Perfect. ¿Salió ahí?
¿Quieres un palito?
¿Ya? Perfect.
Hey, how do the cars get into? ¿Por allá, güey?
Pues por dónde entré yo, güey.
Oh shit, fuck. Está bien, güey.
¿Dónde estaba este güey?
Hey, güey, tómate una chévere, güey. The little holes are made. And then Harvey's gonna use some nutserts. And then it's gonna be bolted down. And then we're gonna put some 3M tape as well. So right now we're making sure both sides are even before we start drilling the nutserts.
So what is that supposed to be? 55?
From there to over here, we're measuring 55 and a quarter right here, and this one's 55 and a half.
From where though? From all the way up here?
Yeah, from the trunk way. Bam. You don't necessarily have to measure from there. It can be from anywhere. We're just,
Mira más chingón de allá, ¿no, güey?
¿eh?
Yeah.
Mira más chingón.
You can measure, güey, hasta de tu pinche ring de enfrente, güey, si quieres.
Yeah. Right here, 21 and 3/4. Oh shit, 20 and 3/4.
Yeah.
Something's off over there. Huh?
Maybe.
Chingón, ¿qué, güey?
That looks good, way there.
Yeah. Alright, so let's lift it. We'll drill the holes.
Yeah, because if it's crooked way and you're going fast way, the aerodynamics way, te va a aventar to the left way, you know?
Yeah.
Alright, so on camera we're gonna try this Golden Road Brewing Mango Cart Mango Wheat Ale.
¿No está caliente, no, güey?
No tata.
Ale.
Ale? Ale.
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 Ale. Trae una borrega, güey, y ahorita le damos hola. A ver.
Wonder what the goes for?
How many percentage tiene esta madre? 4% alcohol.
It's like a regular
So
beer.
it's like a regular pinche Bud Light, way, which is water, which is nothing.
You should have shotgunned that shit. Ya toda, güey. Toda. You should have took out your pinky, güey. Yeah. That's only for the taco, güey.
Se la mamé toda, güey.
Bestia.
Ooh. Ooh.
Rivet insert in there,
Nuts.
you know?
It's a nutser, way.
A
It's not
nutsert.
a rivet.
My bad, fool.
Rivet es otro.
Ribbon.
It's a rivet.
These are the ones I bought, but I bought them super big.
Fucking 19-inch, huh? A ver, show them how it's done, Harvey.
Okay.
I've never used that way, but yeah, you gotta screw it on, huh?
Mhm.
Oh. And then you pump it.
And it smashes it in there.
Bomba.
Y esta madre expands it, right?
Mm-hmm. So since it's thread, it's kind of like a rivet.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing, same process. This will wrinkle right here, and it'll pinch the edge of that.
Mm.
But it has a thread, so you can take it off and put it on
Put
as
a
you
bow-
please.
oh.
Yeah. So screw that in. Put that in there. And
Derechito,
then
güey.
and squeeze. Make sure it stays flat. That little edge. You can't do it this way, you know, because then it'll fuck up. Gotta keep it flat.
Unas dos pompas.
Usually.
So right there, it's loose already. With this one, you could spin it back in to get it a little tighter, you know.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
And then you do like another little bit, not too much.
Not too much,
Once it's
yeah.
crimped, you know.
And then you take it off.
Yep.
Oh, I thought it would break como los otros, pero
Like
no,
a
¿verdad?
snapping?
Yeah, it doesn't make
Yeah.
sense. It makes sense, you.
And that's it. That bad boy's not.
Is that a 10 or is it a 8?
It's a M5,
M5?
metric 5.
Oh, you have an M5. Oh.
You got an M5, boss?
You gonna make a white body for that one?
No.
I know Street Fighter for it. He's like, he only makes it for the M4.
Oh.
And that's it, my G.
Yeah, see,
Boom. Now I didn't go.
Beautiful, way. Yeah. Beautiful.
Now, ¿vas a vender así with the rivets on or without?
Nah, without
Oh,
them. Too much.
That's why we're making this video, way, so people that buy them, they know how to do it. But it's pretty simple, way.
Yeah,
It's a
maybe
pretty
maybe
simple-
I should do it, huh?
Maybe you
Going
should,
up
like,
to
but
50 bucks, like. Rivets installed already. Oh.
I got time. We got time today.
anybody got time for
Today we got time.
that. Today got time, cuz. ¿No crees que el tornillo traspase el otro side de la wing? Que esté too long?
We gonna find out.
Bitch, gonna find out today.
Put a shoe in your seat.
Damn. Zaddy.
Zane, Zeddy.
I mean, obviously we're gonna put some 3M tape, but as it sits pretty good. No way.
Ah.
No way.
Saca el pinky, güey.
Old school way. So we're gonna try Lagunitas.
Ale.
Something easy.
Ale.
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 Ale. Ah, no mames, esa sí está amarga, güey.
See?
Yeah.
That's how I feel with all beers.
That's how you're gonna grow a beard.
Yeah? Supposedly, según, güey. Pero, I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't the washer, it's the toilet.
Oh, it's a toilet that's leaking?
Yes.
Wait, you entré and it's already leaking.
Billy, why would you pop my toilet? Well, now you still clean it.
There you go, little fella.
Made it
You
official.
lovely
güey.
fella.
It's because, wait, I'm driving in the street, way. People are not gonna know what kind of car this is.
Yeah.
Like, they keep taking it to Ferrari, way.
Or a Porsche, huh?
Or a pinche Porsche, way.
Look, that was in the Z ones, and some fool pulled up. Hey, what kind of Porsche is that? And he was serious about it. Fool. I was like, what the fuck?
Trying to troll you, way. Oh, esta madre sí está amarga, güey.
Yeah?
Chúpale, como dices a mí, chúpale.
Tú nomás dale.
Tú nomás dale.
He wanted some of the 90s, so I went that gas and he was like,
Damn.
it's clean though, fool. It had a JZ's 100 interior with
Damn, Philly. You're looking fucking sick, dude. You're looking suave.
Rico.
Who the fuck is taking care of you, boy?
Oy, ay, güey, no mames. Oy, güey. Fresh, güey. I think I just gotta repaint that trunk nomás. Jeez, Harvey. Eh? For all the Christians out there being negative, güey, que no. A la crisis.
Pinche Chris.
like 10 followers.
¿De Cayo, Chris?
El Cayo Chris. ¿Qué dice el Cayo? No, güey, se mira fea esa madre, güey. La mía está más chingona. Mira, Chris, está bien verga la mía, güey. Thing, pero se miraba like right here on the camera. So I just took it off.
Wait, what's this for?
Oh, you can put a filter right here, like an empty filter,
What the heck? What do you mean? Like a little.
like an empty filter,
I don't know that it.
a polarizer.
Oh, okay. That's crazy. That's cool. This looks nice, huh?
Double-sided tape. I said tape. Que vayan y digan, culeros.
Nomás no te enojes, Cayo.
Chicayo, no te agüites, güey.
That's the one I'm gonna use, right?
Yeah.
No te agüites, Wally.
¿Ven, Felipe? ¿Detener de este lado acá?
¿Sí?
No, acá usted. Felipe. Oh yeah, I guess you could put it right there with the edges. Put pressure right there. Got it?
You do it just like that way, yeah? That way. You went to your house and you started going, I was like, what the fuck? Unfortunately, my camera died at Harvey's, but I'm already home. Check out the wing again. It didn't fly off on the freeway. It's nice and sturdy. And then I also fixed my door. The door panel was off and it wouldn't shut. So, clean door, ready to go. I'm gonna leave Crown Carbon Crafting's links down in the description box. If you guys are interested in buying a wing, check him out on Instagram, follow him, because I think the wings are not available yet, so just follow him for any updates. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe if you are new.